wife and I own a 2018 Pleasureway Ascent, and we love it. It takes us everywhere we want to go. Recently, on the Facebook groups, I've been reading about people complaining that they're losing some of their rear bridge covers. I think I have a simple solution for that. I think part of the issue is that these things are kind of flimsy. If you look at what holds the cover on this end, just a little plastic tab, very, very thin. Mine's actually completely gone on the bottom cover. This is what it should look like. So I have to come up with something slightly different to hold the back of the cover here. I think a simple screw would probably work. My thinking is if I can get a screw head to fit in this little space back in here, I think it'll be enough to keep some friction on the cover to keep it in place. This is what I'm thinking about. So how the heck am I going to align this little screw properly so it's hit in here in the middle? I have an idea. I'm going to use Play-Doh. I borrowed it from my granddaughter. I don't think she'll mind. What I'm hoping to do is to get an impression of this end of the vent inside the Play-Doh, and that'll tell me where to put the screw. Should be good. I'm going to try to get to the middle screw here, so right here. Doesn't have to be very deep. This is just a little bit of plastic, no big deal. Okay, now we can get rid of this Play-Doh and put our screw in. I'm using a 1/2 inch number 8 Robertson 5/32 screw. You want to leave it out about 3/16 in order for this to catch properly. This is awesome. Works great. Solid. Seems to hold pretty good, but there's still a little bit of movement. More than I want. I'll put one more little solution for extra insurance. Like that. That's going to work. Won't be losing mine. Well, there it is. I hope that helps you.